So I got this packaging from RC Supremacy, and I know what it is, but and I cracked it open, but I didn't open to take anything out because I realized, oh, I want to film this. But let's see what's in here. Pull this out. Okay. Oh, I know what this is. So, ooh, what's this? A resin K-rail with graffiti on it. That's cool. 24 scale K-rail, nice. What's this? Oh, this is some rainbow titanium hardware for some part. So cool. I'll take a look and see what that goes to. Stickers. Ooh, clear laser water slide. Oh, I gotta keep an eye on this because I have a printer that actually prints white, so I can actually make decals if I had the right paper to work with. So this is nice though. Nice water slide paper. Stickies, gotta love stickies. I see some new tires in here. Nice. It's got a bevel on the edge, which is cool. It's got a bevel on the edge right here, which is cool. Nice tires. Very cool. And we got some wheels. Oh, Rhino Racing staggered wheels. Okay, cool. And I think these are the pins that we were told that were wrong in some of the kits, but they sent new ones to everyone, whether it was wrong or not, just in case. So that's cool that we have those in there. Nice. What's this? Oh, that's so cute. Look at the baby. What's this here? Oh, it's a thank you card. Nice. RC Supremacy. Thank you, RC Supremacy. Really appreciate the value of your support. Please tag us on social media so you can follow along with your RC builds. Nice. Nice photo. Nice photo with family. Cool. Business card from RC Supremacy. Ah, more stickies. Let's run RC Drift. Nice. Cool. And House of Railroad Drive. It's a business card or just a top card? Oh, this is a top card for something. But cool. Right on. I know what this is. Let's see what's in here. Ooh. Nice. The Rhino Racing RTS 1/24 scale. Rhino Top Secret. Nice. Let me get this open here. I guess that's probably the instruction manual. Yes, RTS instructions manual. A lot of companies are doing the QR code instruction manuals to save on printing paper and having to pack paper and stuff. But nice casing. Nice box here. Ooh, okay, so we have some plastic tree parts. Looks like your steering and some other pieces here. More plastic trees. Nice. And then, ooh, we've got the alloy parts. Oh, that's nice stuff. Okay, the bags are individually labeled. Okay, that's like a servo mount there. Some motor mount parts. Cool. Very cool. Here is the gearbox, part L. Oh, there's a bunch of things. There's some ball ends, K, a wrench, and some tie rod there, ends, standoffs. We got some CBDs there. Nice. Cool, more metal parts. Metal. Oh, these parts are really nicely machined. I can't wait to actually build this. Here's your suspension parts, your shock pieces and springs. Nice. And bag o' bearings, axle parts. Here's all your screws, bag A, cool. More chassis bits. Wow, all of this metal stuff is actually really pretty. Can't wait to put that all together. And this looks like grease of some sort. Cool. Well, there you go. That is the Rhino Racing RTS in a nutshell. Thank you, RC Supremacy, for Monster Parts. RC, we out.